fur babies have their very own crystals. This is purple mookaite. It is half polished, it's top polished. This is green zebra jasper. This is red and yellow mookaite, all polished. It's an obelisk. Isn't it gorgeous? This is green apophyllite. It's really big. Dalmatian jasper. Doesn't it look like a spotted Dalmatian puppy dog? Lithium quartz. And this is called fairy stone. Its other name is menilite, and it is from Morocco. Quite unique and exquisite. So, your fur babies absorb from you your energies, they comfort you, right? So when they snuggle up against you, just like when someone hugs you, they're exchanging energy with you, and their small bodies, even if they're a 200-pound puppy dog or a 20-pound kitty cat, their bodies can only absorb and process your energies until they become a little bit full. And then, part of their sleeping and running around and doing all of those things, that's what helps them to process their energy even more efficiently. And so what do these do? This is green apophyllite, and it is for health and healing. Green, absolutely, as is this green zebra jasper. Now, if you're a person who likes to communicate with your fur baby, then any one of these crystals will help you do that. Green zebra jasper. And there is the brown zebra jasper or zebra diorite stone. I just don't have any to share with you or to show you. The red and yellow mookaite for energy, to help them burn off and to process the energy faster. The red is for grounding. It's also for healing. The purple is to help them raise their vibration. When they raise their vibration, or when you help them do that, then they're processing the energies faster. The Dalmatian is a way to connect with your fur baby just by having one of these large pieces near them, maybe their favorite sleeping area. A small piece like this, which is the lithium quartz. Hope you can see it a little better now. You would want to put it underneath their blankets so that they wouldn't, some of those fur babies are very inquisitive and they might swallow it. So you want to be careful that, you don't get something too small, or you put it in such a place that it would not be ingested. You know how that goes. And then menilite. This is a stone of the goddess, so it would help with infusing and putting your love energy, your comfort, your nurturing into your fur baby. Now you can add some crystals as extras. Rose quartz for unconditional love and healing. Kyanite to help remove energy, meaning to help absorb the energy from them that they don't need or aren't processing very well. This is a little piece of selenite. And then green fluorite. This is a palm stone. And this is also for health and healing, sorry. Why do you want to do this? Well, if you want to help keep your fur baby healthier and have a better life, or continue to have a really good life, then add some of these crystal beauties to their area. You can have them all together and touching. It's okay. You can do this, something like that. Okay. Do you need as huge a piece of green apophyllite as this? No. You could have something that's, like that big. Green apophyllite, good quality, high vibe, is not that easy to come by anymore. So you could use green fluorite, just green, not multicolored, but just green, because this is also for the heart chakra as well as health and healing. So you can do something like that. You can add a piece of rose quartz, selenite. Lithium is an extra piece, meaning you can have one or not. It just helps to remove negativity and cut energy cords. The negative ones, the ones that are full, you can do so like that. So you can do something like that to help your fur babies stay healthy and have an easier life. And that way you're comforting them when they're comforting and loving you. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.